that surprised me about Japan in 2017. Now, yeah, you know, woohoo, we all have this advance in technology and all this great stuff, but fax machines still exist. I'm in a company that still uses fax machine. What? Why are we sending faxes? There's emails, there's scans. Oh, give us a tablet, something. Come on. Fax machines? Seriously? This really surprised me with Japan. You need a guarantor, a BSc, a MSc, a PhD, a 5-year visa, a sponsorship letter, 1 million yen in your bank account, 10,000 units of type A or type B blood, 2% level 2 capabilities, 10,000 hours of watching all the shonen, slice of life anime, plus all those exorbitant fees you have to pay. Gift money, fire insurance, being a black man, being a black woman, being a foreigner or white woman, being a fire insurance fee, gift fee, thank you for considering me out of all the million of thousand people that need a house in Japan fee, and thank you for blah 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 bullshit fee. Trash. Just to get a good apartment? Hello? Or you can just be Japanese. Decide here, please. Everyone raves about Japan's customer service and how they're customer centric. Yet you can't add a pickle to a burger at McDonald's.
You can't add a pickle, add a pickle, add a pickle, add a pickle.
You know why? Because the burger doesn't come with pickles. You have to buy a burger that has pickles plus the burger you already wanted, and then take the pickles from that burger and put it on the burger you want on. Does that make sense? Why is it I can't add pickles to a burger if I'm willing to pay extra for it? Why, Japan? Why do you need to call your manager? A little help here, please. Taxis now take credit and debit cards. Yay! That's a good thing, right? You need credit cards to take out a phone on a plan here. I don't know if that's something that's done in America, but it was quite surprising to me. You have my bank account information. There's money in my bank account. You can verify with the bank. Why do you need a credit card? Oh, because people run away without paying.
You're right. My bad.
Squat toilets are still a thing! Come on, come on. And last but not least, it's still hard to find my size in clothes that actually fit me here.
Lose some weight.
And my shoes I wear like size 31.
Oh. Well, lose some goddamn inches off your bloody feet.
What? If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. In the comments down below, please tell me like what you found surprising about Japan, or what you have found surprising about Japan. And I'll see you in the next video. Big up on yourself. Boom, I'm out.